old Place Sport camera here because I didn't want to bring out my action cams, and you should be able to see me pretty well. I took the kayak out today on a trial trip because I had the hole in the skeg repaired. But anyway, 1 pound 15 ounces, and just for the heck of it, I'm going to put him back in the water. He's on the stringer, and I'm going to take him off the stringer and put him on the scale. There we go. And weigh him again and see if I can catch it on camera. Not that this is a big fish, it's just the exercise and doing it, being able to do it, I guess you'd say. There's 1 pound 15 ounces. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not. You certainly can't see the whole fish on the scale. There's no way I can do that, I don't think, and still be able to, you know, if this were a trophy catch, which it's certainly not. But okay, fishy, thank you very much. Kept me from getting skunked, and I do appreciate it. There you go. There's another fish broke out there. I'm gonna sit right here for a while, and who knows? Maybe it's time for them to feed too. Here we are back at the landing, and I'm using the Kodak Place Sport camera, which is not a very wide angle camera. Okay, I'm gonna get packed up.